Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to try this challenge out that is on CC and me channel, where you're supposed to cook for a family for 1,500 Nigerian naira. And because I live in Canada, so I want to convert that money into Canadian dollars and see how much that would be. I think that should be about, I went on Google and I typed that in. That should be about five dollars, Canadian dollars. So I'm going to try my best to go grocery shopping to see what I can get for that amount for dinner today. So guys, I'm excited. I love, like when I saw that challenge and saw so many food that people were able to create with that, I just wanted to try it out here in Canada. I did have some discussion with my coworkers and they gave me some ideas. So I'm going to go shopping and try my best to get things that is $500. I mean $5. So with tax, the thing is, does that include tax? Because we get charged differently here. So after you buy your stuff, you get charged tax on top of that. Does that include tax or no? So I'm going to try my best to see if I can buy all my stuff under $5 including tax. All right, so I hope you guys stay tuned and see what I'm able to like come up with. So let's see what we can get for $5, guys. $5 dinner meal. All right. Now that I'm done Here's my shopping cart. Here's my stuff. I end up spending, let me take this off. So I end up spending about $5.12. So, which is not bad. I'm going to go back and see what is the exchange rate, like how much is 1,500 naira in Canadian dollars. And I hope, I think I will have to borrow some Maggi and salt. So I hope we can borrow some ingredients in there, Maggi, salt, and all the other stuff. So I can't wait to cook this and show you guys what I was able to create with $5. And I want to thank my co-worker, Mary Grace, was actually be giving me ideas on what I can do or meal I can prepare with $5. So I'm heading back to work. So I'm just going to put this in my car. Oh, I think it's going to start to rain now because I just felt a drop of rain on my nose. So yes, guys, I went shopping for $5.12 and I can't wait to prepare the meal, and you guys will see what I was able to create with $5. Okay. So guys, we are back home. I'm in the kitchen. As you can see, this is the grocery that I bought for $5. So I'm going to bring everything out so that you guys can see. I got onions. I got 2 pieces of tomatoes. I got chicken wieners, which is hot dogs, and also got 1 pack of pasta. So this is what I was able to get for $5. Actually, it was $5.12. That includes tax. I don't know if you guys can see this. See, it's about, where is it? Here, $5. See if you guys can see this. It's focus. So $5 right here, $5.12. I hope you guys can see. Yeah, $5.12. I hope you can see it. So I'm going to go ahead and prepare my dinner, and I think I can use this over and over again. Actually, I think it's going to be less than $5 since I'm using I can use the onion over again, and also I can use this one over again. Like, I'm not going to use everything from this pack. So let's just go ahead and prepare the meals and let's see how it goes. So I'm also going to borrow some salt and Maggi because I could not find any Maggi or seasoning cube for, I don't know, for $1. No, you won't be able to. I would have not be able to spend only $5 if I go overboard. So I have some things, like I have Maggi's in the house, so I'm going to just borrow from the ones I have before, and I'm also going to borrow some salt. So let's go and let's start cooking.
Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
So guys, this is all about this video. I hope you like it. This is what you can actually create with $5. This is a dinner that we're going to have been having today. I hope you like this video. Leave a comment down below. What can you create with $5? What meal can you create with $5? If you live here in Canada, what meal can you create? I saw this on CCME channel and I was really like, wow, people can. At first I was like doubting that you can actually create a meal with $5, but actually you can actually create a whole lot of meal with $5. And I also want to thank my co-workers because she was giving me ideas of what I could create with $5. So I want to say thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you guys on my next video.